Got a 2016 Nissan Frontier. It's got the hood prop. We're gonna make the hood prop go away on this kit over here. This is from Amazon. 2 struts, 2 pieces. These will go under the hood hinge. These will go on the fender. And I have no idea where these go, so we'll figure it out. You're gonna need a 12 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. Throw them on this guy to save me a bit of time. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take, on this side, we're gonna take these 2 bolts out. We're gonna put our piece in. We're gonna put those back on. We're gonna take this out. We'll put our piece there, and then we'll go to the driver's side. Okay, so these brackets have a little jog in them. And as you can see, well, maybe not. As you can see, this is recessed back there, and this is out towards the front. So that jog needs to go like that up in there. Let me put this other one down and I'll show what I'm talking about. Okay, so you see how that's got that little jog in it? This jog goes up in there, go over those bolt holes, and then you want the actual little knob thing on the outside. If you were to put the other one on, it would be on the inside, and then that won't line up here. So we're gonna take those bolts out. We're gonna put that just like that and go to the next part. All right, I got that in. Some people will say to install it under the hood hinge. However, that changes the body gap. It lifts the hood up just a little bit. I'm gonna install them just like that, where the hinge piece is there and then the bracket sits on top of that. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll switch it. We're gonna take this guy out now. This is a 10 mil. Okay, so this bracket sits, see that little groove? That groove is gonna sit on top of the fender like that. And this bolt is gonna pop back in. Let me put the tool going the right way. Good and tight. Those are in. That's where the strut's gonna go. On these struts, you can see in there, there's a little metal clip. That clip runs around the outside, so as you push this onto that ball, it will separate. So you can see that's a little bit too long. So we're gonna put the top one on, clicks in, and I'm gonna open the hood up all the way, and we're just gonna click that one in right there. All right, so I've got the hood propped up. Need to go a little bit more. Oh, need to go even way more. All right, little thing I just noticed here. You do not want the ball facing the hood. There is not enough. You cannot compress it enough to get it on there. So I'm gonna take this one off, and this one, I believe, goes in its place, which puts the ball right here, which will allow us to actually utilize the whole stroke instead of compressing it down and having a bunch we can't use. Just like that, fits on. Need to put the other one up. There's not enough strength on one side to hold the hood up. So we're gonna pivot to that side. All right, got that in. Again, 2 12s. There's a 10. Goes on. We're gonna lift the hood up, put that down. See if I can get this on one-handed. Apparently not. Oh, there it goes. And then we're going to thread the prop rod out, and voila. No more prop rod. All right, so prop rod just threads out. You got that in. Those brackets, the struts. Got those brackets in the struts. Let's move the light. You can see, closes just fine. We're gonna pop in here. We're gonna pop the hood real quick. You can see them poking through. Well, hood release. And holds the hood up fine. Really nice not having to worry about that. It's funny, I had a 99K 2500 and it had editing John here. You see this little piece that's circled? That is the holder for the prop rod. I forgot to take it out while I was installing these, and I didn't even notice it until I put everything away, backed the truck into the garage, and then I was wondering why my hood was all raised. This comes out by pinching the plastic piece on the bottom, or do what I did, grab it with a pair of vice grips and just twist it and rip it out. If you don't take this little plastic prop rod holder piece out, the hood will not sit flush. So don't forget to do that and learn from my mistake. Not exactly these, but similar concept. You didn't need a prop rod, so definitely happy not to have the prop rod anymore. That's all she wrote.